more likely to make friends if 第一 you're willing to try new foods, and 第二 you can talk about them. In this video, we'll introduce useful vocab to describe smell, taste, and giving opinions. 这个闻起来怎么样？
这个很香的。
你好，欢迎来到我们的频道。This is 英国的苹果。
The channel that teaches you Chinese spoken by real Taiwanese people.
Our first word list is about describing food smells. 闻起来的味道。Do you know how to say it smells good? 这个闻起来很香。It smells bad. 这个闻起来很臭。And when you think it smells bad, but you don't want to sound rude, you can say it smells strange. 这个闻起来怪怪的。The second word list is about describing tastes. 吃起来的味道。How do you say it tastes? Sweet. 这个吃起来很甜。Spicy. 很辣。Sour. 很酸。Bitter. 很苦。Salty. 很咸。The last word list is opinions. How do you say it's delicious? 这个太好吃了。Good. 好吃。Alright. 还好。Bad. 难吃。Horrible. 太难吃了。In Taiwan and China, food is a religion. It's everywhere and it's cheap. Chinese people spend lots of time socializing over food, so it's very helpful to learn how to comment on it.
一点辣的，一点咸的，我觉得很好吃。